Today on Ridge Roamer, we are getting started on the build of Project MURICA, our Indian Scout bobber. Now, we have obviously already done the teardown. If you want to see the basic introduction to this video, I'll link to it above. But getting rolling here, the first thing I want to do as we start building, so I can kind of get this thing to take some initial shape, is handlebars and controls. So, I partnered with the guys down at FMB Choppers, and they were kind enough to send me this awesome set of 12-inch bars. So, quick introduction on FMB Choppers. They are based out of North Carolina, here in the United States. As stated initially, everything going on this motorcycle is going to be sourced from companies based in the United States, with manufacturing also in the United States. David Burrill is the CEO of FMB Choppers. Go to their website, you can see all kinds of different bar options, styles, heights, etc. So we'll kind of browse through that briefly here while I go over this. FMB Choppers is all hand-built chopper accessories. All supplies come from within the United States. They do not source anything from overseas. They are happy to do any alterations or custom work that you would like. And even if you've got a bike that isn't listed on their website, they will do whatever modifications are required to make sure that your ride can be equipped with bars from FMB Choppers. Parts from FMB Choppers come packaged very well. We'll go ahead and open these up here. We've got packing peanuts and a very nicely wrapped bar. These are the 12-inch blazed bars. Like I said earlier, they've got a wide variety of styles and options. This is what I'm going for on this particular build. Quality and finish is beautiful. These have the knurled sections here for the mounts. They go from a 3/4 up to a 1-inch on this particular bar, and then back to a 3/4. These are made specifically for the Scout, so all your dimensions, everything's going to be perfect. They do have the slots already in here for internal wiring, so you can go from the base and then out at your switch cubes. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get these mounted up, see how they look on the bike. Now when we get to the wiring part, we'll be tilting these back pretty far, just so that we can get access underneath, connect these wires down through here, get them fished through. But I find it's actually easier to get all that done with it securely mounted to something instead of just loose banging around on a table or workbench somewhere. So I'm going to mount these up here, and then when we get to the wiring, we'll get that fished through. It's amazing how something as simple as a set of handlebars can already give a little definition to a bike. Now, of course, with taller bars, the stock cables weren't going to work with the extra height, so went ahead and upgraded to a set of full stainless steel clutch and brake cables. This kit comes from Magnum, another company completely United States based, with their products manufactured in the USA. So already got these installed. Not really a highlighted product here, but did want to let you know that that's what I'm using. Contact Magnum for any of your cable and clutch type needs. Now with the bars, cables, and perches, master cylinder here mounted, levers are all on. Next, probably the least fun part of installing tall bars is going to be fishing all that wiring through and extending that out so that the switch cubes will mount. So we'll get working on that here in a little bit, but first and foremost on this build, wanted to highlight FMB Choppers, thank them for the support of this channel, and get these awesome 12-inch bars on my Indian Scout bobber. So stay tuned for the next video where we will continue to build through this chopper bobber build with all American made parts. Thanks for joining me. Ride safe. Stay tuned for more.